4 police officers and 12 inmates are nursing injuries this evening after a violent confrontation at the Denham town lockup in Kingston. As the ward relatives staged a noisy protest on Wednesday morning, the police are insisting they used appropriate non-lethal force to defend themselves against attacking prisoners. Sandy Williams has details.
What began as a routine visit quickly spiraled into alarm and anger. By sunrise, the entrance to the Denham town lockup was crowded with anxious residents, many demanding answers and some demanding justice.
This morning we come to visit with loved ones, with families, with friends, and when we come we hear say them a beat the prisoner them out there. We're out here from 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, some come 7 o'clock, we can't get no visit. When we come out here we hear people talking that from 4 o'clock them a get beat now, and people been calling, so we're calling. So we need justice out here.
Protesters claim the unrest stems from an incident in which an inmate reportedly threw urine at an officer. But relatives argue the response inside the facility has been excessive.
If him the police, them take out him and deal with him. Them a beat our loved one and a beat everybody. Pepper spray, go in there with too much baton and everything and a beat. We see about 4 to 5 men gone to the KPH, so we don't know what really going on inside.
For one woman, the situation turned deeply personal. She says her nephew collapsed behind bars.
My nephew, he dropped down in the stiff stone. Them not take him out till look a while. Them take him out and they're in an emergency room. We don't know what is the issue. We don't know nothing about him and nothing.
Frustration also boiled over at what relatives describe as poor communication from the authorities.
Them come out here, them disrespect with them do all mass of thing what them for do. A blood run through way and the water run through way. And it's not dark. It happened from Monday. Why them start to do it today? Today a holiday. Them take them action today. We need justice.
Some protesters went further, alleging inhumane conditions inside the cells.
It's not dog in there, it's human being. And a beer broke up them. Them catch water in the pipe and them pepper spray in the water and throw it in the pan them. Them dash them food, them dash them roll on, them dash them teeth brush and them underpants. Them a fear walk and I borrow them one another underpants and teeth brush and toothpaste. What am I gonna do that for, eh?
Relatives say they have since been told visitations are suspended for the remainder of the week, a move that has only deepened their concern about what may be unfolding behind the lockup walls. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.